In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your history in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. Slack is a powerful tool for communication, but sometimes you might want to look back at what you've done or find that important message you received a while ago. Viewing your history in Slack is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through the steps to make it easy for you. First, make sure you have your Slack workspace open and ready. Once you're in, the first thing you're going to want to do is locate the search bar. You'll find this search area right at the top of your screen. It's a prominent feature, so it shouldn't take you long to spot it. Just take a moment to focus on that. Once you've located the search bar, the next step is to access the history. This is a crucial part of our process. You can do this by either clicking directly on the search box itself, or, if you look closely, you'll notice a small history icon right next to it. Clicking on that icon will bring up everything you need. It's a simple little action that opens up a lot of useful information. After you've clicked on the search box or the history icon, you'll notice a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where all your recent activity history is displayed. It includes an impressive list of your recently visited channels, any private messages you've exchanged, and even the apps you have interacted with across your workspace. It's like a snapshot of everything you've been doing lately, and it can genuinely help you find what you're looking for without wasting any time. When you scroll through this drop-down menu, you'll see various entries. Click on any of these entries if you want to revisit a channel or conversation. This is particularly useful if you need to reference something from a past chat, or if you want to reconnect with colleagues in a specific channel after a few days. By utilizing this feature, you can become more efficient in managing your time and enhance your productivity. Remember, Slack is all about making communication easier, and being able to view your history gives you a greater understanding of your interactions. It's designed to keep your workflow seamless, and taking advantage of these features can really streamline your day. So, as a quick recap, open your Slack workspace, locate that handy search bar at the top, click on it or the history icon, and dive into your recent activity through the drop-down menu. It's as simple as that. Try it out next time you need to find something within Slack. Whether it's a file shared last week or a message from a colleague, utilizing the history feature can save you a lot of time and frustration. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this information helps you navigate your Slack workspace with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you found this video helpful,